Hey everyone, I'm Tansir Saji from Learn Education, welcoming you to our new course on Git. In this video, we will be talking about what is Git and how it is better than traditional methods of source code management. In Wikipedia terms, Git is world's most popular version control system. It helps us manage our project files. These words does not mean anything, so let's talk about the history first and then we'll see what exactly Git is. Our story begins in the year of 1991 with the creation of Linux kernel, which is an open source project created by Linus Torvalds, and throughout the 90s developers would make changes to the Linux code and the patch is passed around the community as an archive file, which as you know is a very tedious task. So in 2002, Linux kernel started using a proprietary DVCS or distributed version control system called Bitkeeper. But in 2005, the company who owns Bitkeeper revoked its free of charge status, which pissed off the Linux community. So they started working on their own version control system called Git, which has all the features of Bitkeeper, but it's completely open source and free. So as any normal person would ask, what is the meaning of Git? Well, even I don't know what exactly it means. I thought it's actually GIT and those alphabet are some meaningful words like Global Information Tracker or something. Then I did some research and found something really funny about Linus's personality. He has a tendency to name things after himself, as you know from his operating system kernel called Linux. According to Linus, Git is actually a slang used in Britain for someone who is complete, ignorant, dumb and annoying person. So he chose this name for the SCM he made. SCM stands for Source Code Management, which is another way of saying version control. So the major question we have to ask is what exactly Git is used for. So there are three main features of Git. You're working on a website and you made some changes in the CSS file a month ago. And now your code is not working and the UI looks really bad. You have two options at this point of time. One, find the bug and fix it. Or two, use Git and when something like this happens, just revert back to the code that you have created a month ago. Second feature of Git is collaboration. Git makes it easier to collaborate with your team. This is one of the major reasons for the creation of Bitkeeper and then Git. Developers around the world can contribute to your project without any issues. If you don't use Git in your project, then everything will work well if there is only you working on it. But as soon as your team size increases, a situation similar to this will happen. Imagine you are working on a script for a YouTube video and you wrote the first section of the script and told your teammate to validate that section and make some changes if necessary. And you send that person the script file. Now you're basically frozen and you will not be able to work until your teammate sends the updated file. If you are using Git or any other version control, you can make changes to the file while the other person is working on that project without the fear of accidentally overwriting their work. Another major feature of Git is feature branching. You want to try out some new features for your application and you're not sure if these features will look good in the overall application or not. So instead of creating a new copy of your project, you can just create a new branch and code the new features there. And when you test out those features, you can either merge both branches or delete the test branch. You will learn all about this in the future videos. Now let's look at how we can install Git in your computer. So in particular, I'm going to show you how you can install Git in your Linux machine, specifically Ubuntu machine. And if you want to install Git in any other Linux flavor, Fedora or OpenSUSE, you can refer to this page. The link will be in the description. And also if you are using some other operating system like macOS or Windows, you can just download the installer from here. So let's move into a terminal and first of all go into the super user mode. That's sudo su. So here we are in the root user that will give us unlimited access to this operating system. Now what we'll do is write this command to install the Git in your machine. In many Linux distribution, the Git is already installed. So you can check by typing git git space hyphen version. So as you can see that Git is not installed in this machine, so I can install with the command apt install Git. This will fetch the package and install around 32 megabyte of code in your machine. Now as you can see, the Git is successfully installed. Now if we get out of the super user mode, just type exit and clear the screen. This will give us some space to work with, and type git -- version again. It will show the version of Git that is installed. In my case, it's 2.17.1. So you have successfully installed Git in your machine, and you can type git -- help to see all the commands available in this machine and the syntax of using git command. We will talk about these commands in detail in later videos, so no need to worry about this now. So that's it for today, I guess. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, and comment if you have any issues or any question or any feedback. Also, you can find the download links for Mac and Windows Git installer in this website. The link will be in the description below. So that's it. Bye bye.